Hi everyone, my name is Lauren Gutlon and I'm your New York City tour guide. Today's stop is the New York City Subway. You can buy your Metro card at the machine, which is super easy, or with the booth teller, which is cash only. The subway is very easy to learn, but if you need help, there's a lot of customer information at each subway station, or you can use your smartphone. As you can see, a lot of subway stations allow you to connect via an underground passageway to other subway lines. The MTA has also recently implemented a digital schedule, which you can find on the app, outside on this platform, or all around the city. Long Island Railroad, New Jersey Transit, Metro North, and The Path are among many trains that are not considered part of the MTA subway, but instead commuter trains because they take you to places outside of the 5 boroughs. And if you ever have trouble finding the entrance to a subway station, just look for the lit green and white globes. There are a lot of subway station hubs in New York City, like this one at Union Square, where you can access a lot of trains at one location. The boroughs are often used as a direction of travel for trains. There's Manhattan bound, Queens bound, Brooklyn bound, Bronx bound, and also uptown and downtown. Along with figuring out how to get to your desired location, you also need to learn the difference between local and express trains and subway etiquette. The New York City subway is a fantastic mode of transportation, and although it's fairly self-explanatory, there is a bit more to learn. So make sure you join me all week for more subway knowledge and facts.